हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का बलास्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस में। बलास्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस की तरफ से क्वेश्चन बैंक की यानी प्रश्न बैंक की एक सीरीज़ दी जा रही है, जिसमें हम लोग देख रहे हैं 12th क्लास का इंग्लिश। इसमें हम लोग केवल क्वेश्चंस कवर करने वाले हैं। इससे पहले ग्रामर की और पैसेज की एक हमने सीरीज़ दे रखी है, उसका लिंक आपको ऊपर आई बटन में मिल जाएगा, नहीं तो फिर नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। उस वीडियो में 60K प्लस व्यू आए हैं, तो इतना सपोर्ट करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया गया है। आई होप इस वीडियो को भी इतना ही ज़्यादा पसंद किया जाएगा। आपको बलास्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना है और प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर के 12th क्लास फुल सॉल्यूशन ये वाली भी देखनी है और 12th क्लास क्वेश्चन बैंक की सीरीज़ भी देखनी है और साथ में 12th क्लास परीक्षा बोर्ड की भी सीरीज़ देखनी है। और भी हमने कॉपियों को भी रिव्यू करके रखा है, तो वो सब भी देखना है। इस वीडियो को आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बार देखना है। अगर आप एक दो बार देख लोगे तो सारे क्वेश्चन आपके सही जाएंगे। इसमें हम डी सेक्शन कवर करने वाले हैं। डी सेक्शन के 1 वर्ड वाले हम पहले कर चुके हैं, बाकी का ये जो हमारा सेक्शन है ये पूरा हम इस वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। चलते हैं हम हमारे पहले चैप्टर की तरफ। पहला चैप्टर है हमारा द लास्ट लेसन है, जिसका क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट वाज द फ्रेंच एक्सपेक्टेड टू द प्रिपेयर विद द स्कूल दैट डे। आंसर है दैट डे फ्रेंच वाज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड विद द लेसन ऑफ पार्टिसिपल्स। Second question है, what did French notice that was unusual about the school that day? French noticed many unusual things at the school that day. It was all so still, calm and quiet like Sunday morning. While on the other day there used to be great hustle and bustle, the school looked so strange and the solemn. It was quite unusual and surprising. Third question है इसका, what had been put up on the bulletin board. The bulletin board display an order from the Berlin to teach only German in the school of Alaska and the Lawrence in the Strait of the French. The teaching of French had discontinued in these two districts of France. Next question number 4. What change did the order of Berlin cause in the school that day? Answer है that day the order from the Berlin caused a lot of changes in the school. There was pin drop silent in the school. The teacher M. Hamel became polite and sympathetic to his student and taught his lesson with the more patience. The villagers were sitting quietly in the class like students. Next हमारा fifth question, how did French feeling about Mr. Hamel and the school change? Answer है when French heard that according to the order of Berlin it was the last lesson of the French taught by M. Hamel, he felt a sharp pain to think it that he had wasted his time for not learning French sincerely. He considered now his book as his friend. He suddenly developed a strange fascination for his language and school. He had sympathy and respected Mr. M. Hamel. He forgot all about the previous behavior and nature of M. Hamel. He also regretted for not attending the school properly. इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट हमारा 6th क्वेश्चन, what was the fear in little French mind when they started for the school in morning? इसका आंसर है French were afraid to being scolded that day, especially because Mr. Hamel, the teacher, had said that he would question them of participles. Question 7 है, why did French not want to go to school that day? Answer, because he was afraid if being scolded that day, especially from homework. 8th question है, what did French see while he was going to school? Answer है French noticed that school was usually quiet. There is no noise of student. Everything is peace. 9th question है, the teacher did not scold French of his coming late to school. Why? Answer है because it was the foreman's last day at school before the new master come the following day. Next question number 10. How did M. Hamel dresses for school on his last day to school? Answer है Hammer was wearing his beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt and the little blank silk cap, all embroidered. He wore them on inspection and prize day. 11th question है, why did Hauser and the other villagers come to attend the last lesson? Answer है Hausens and the other villagers came to attend the last lesson to express their respect and the gratitude to On Hamel for 40-year-long service to them. 12 क्वेश्चन है और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट चैप्टर का. वट इन्फॉर्मेशन डिड एम हैमेल गिवन टू द चिल्ड्रन इन हिज क्लास. आंसर है एम हैमेल इन्फॉर्म द स्टूडेंट द ऑर्डर हैज कम फ्रॉम द बर्लिन एंड दैट इट वाज द फ्रेंच क्लास न्यू दे विल बी द टॉच जर्मन ओनली. सेकेंड चैप्टर है हमारा लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग. तो इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज साहिब लुकिंग फॉर द गार्बेज डंप वेयर इज ही एंड where has he come from. तो आंसर है साहिब इज लुकिंग फॉर द रुपी और गोल्ड इन द गार्बेज डंप. ही इज द सिम्पुरी एंड ही हैज कम फ्रॉम ढाकास बांग्लादेश. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है व्हाट एक्सप्लेनेशन डज द ऑथर ऑफर फॉर द चिल्ड्रन नॉट वियरिंग फुटवियर. आंसर है द ऑथर हर्ड दैट इट इज ट्रेडिशनल टू द स्टे barefoot but she is disagree and argues that it is not a traditional but the poverty is the basic reason behind it. Question number third है is Sahib happy working at the tea stall. Explain. Answer no, he is not happy working at the tea stall because he has lost his freedom. He is not the owner but a servant. Fourth question है what make the city of Firozabad famous. आंसर है ब्यूटीफुल ग्लास बैंगल्स मेक द सिटी ऑफ फिरोजाबाद फेमस. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है मेंशन द हैजार्ड ऑफ वर्किंग इन द ग्लास बैंगल्स इंडस्ट्री. तो आंसर है द वर्कर इन द ग्लास बैंगल्स इंडस्ट्री सिट इन डार्क hutments next to lines of the flames of the flickering oil lamps. They have a work into bright hot furnace and the polish bangles. These workers affected their eyes and turned them blind before they are old. Sixth question है how is Mukesh attitude to his situation different from that of his family. Answer है Mukesh belonged to a family of the bangle makers. His family members believe that they are distinct to the work and the glasses bangles make. No one can change it, but Mukesh wanted to become a motor machine because he had to fascination for the bangles making. Question number 7 है what could be the sum of the reasons for the migration of the people from Blaze to city. Answer है the main reason of migration from Blaze to city could be livelihood. The Blaze were unable to provide them the meaning of the survival. Cities provided the employment, jobs or other means of the getting food to survive for the poor in blazes was difficult. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा 8th. तो ये हमारा would you agree that the promise made to poor children are rarely kept. Why do you think this happened in the incident narrated in the text. Answer है yes, I agree that the promises made to the poor children are rarely kept in the text. When author made Sahib and the ask about going to school, he said that there was no school in his neighborhood. The author asked Sahib with the jokes whether he will come to her school if she started one. Sahib agreed happy to do so, but the author could not fulfill her promises. 9th question है what forces conspired to keep the workers in the bangles industry of the Firozabad in poverty. Answer है the unfavorable society and the legals says the dissipated middleman and their own said distincts etc. forces keep the worker in the bangles industry of the Firozabad in perpetual poverty. नेक्स्ट है हमारा 3rd चैप्टर डीप वाटर. इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा वाई वॉज द डगलस डिटरमाइंड टू गेट ओवर हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर. आंसर है डगलस वॉज द डिटरमाइंड टू गेट ओवर हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर बिकॉज ही वॉज फाउंड ऑफ फिशिंग एंड द स्विमिंग. ही टुक द हेल्प ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्टर. नेक्स्ट है हमारा सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हाउ डिड द इंस्ट्रक्टर बुल्ड अ स्विमिंग आउट ऑफ डगलस. आंसर है the instructor made a proper and the special arrangement for the Douglas. He put a belt around the Douglas and attached a rope from the belt which was the running by the pulley. Douglas was confident that he would not drown. Therefore, he practicing in the pool hours and hours. The instructor taught him about the exhale and the inhale. In this way, after a long practice, the instructor built a swimmer out of Douglas. Question number 3 है, how did Douglas make sure that the concurrent the old terror? Answer है, Douglas and the learned swimming well, but he want to test himself that he had lost his fear of water. He want to warm lake, dive and the swim across to the other shore and the come back again comfortably. Now he was sure that he conquered that the old terror. Next हमारा fourth question, what were the series of emotional and fear that the Douglas expressed when he was thrown into the pool? What plan did we make come to the surface? Answer है, when he was thrown into the deepest part of the pool, he was frightened but did not panic. He planned to hit facefully on the bottom of the pools by his legs so that he come back on the surface of the pool. He success in his plan and the come to the slowly to the surface. Next question है fifth, how did this experience affected him? Answer है, this experience affected badly the fear of the water, held him firmly in the grips. After the incident, he never went to pool. Sixth question है, why was Douglas determined to get over his fear of water? Answer है, Douglas was determined to get over his fear of water because he was found on the fishing and the swimming. He looked the help of instructor. Next है seventh question, ये है how did instructor build a swimmer out of Douglas? Answer है, the instructor made a proper and the special arrangement for the Douglas. He put a belt around Douglas and the attached a rope from the belt. His was the running by a pulley. Douglas was the confident that he would not drown. Therefore, he practicing in the pool hours and hours. The instructor taught him about the exhale and inhale. In this way, after the long practice, the instructor built a swimmer out of Douglas. इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है एट्थ क्वेश्चन, तो ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन है थर्ड चैप्टर का. हाउ डिड डगलस मेक द श्योर दैट ही conquered the old terror? Answer है, Douglas had learned swimming well, but he want to test himself that he had lost his fear of the water. He want to warm lake, dive and the swimmer across to the other shore and come back again comfortably. Now he was sure that the consequence and the old terror. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है हमारा 4 द रेड ट्रैपर. अगर आपको ये पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आपको टेलीग्राम से मिल जाएगी और वहीं पे आपको लिंक भी मिल जाएगी इसके ऊपर वाले सेक्शन की. तो इसको आपको वीडियो को बार बार देखना है जिससे कि आपको जल्दी ये याद हो जाए. नेक्स्ट है हमारा फोर्थ चैप्टर द रेड ट्रैप. पहला क्वेश्चन है, फ्रॉम वेयर डिड द पैडलर गेट द आइडिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बीइंग अ रेड ट्रैप? आंसर है, द पैडलर गॉट द आइडिया द वर्ल्ड बीइंग रेड ट्रैप फ्रॉम हिज इनर conscience when he was imagined about the rat trap. Second है, why was the amused by this idea? Answer है, he was amused by this idea because he thought that the world with all its rich and the joy food and the cellar was like a rat trap to tempt people. Next है third question, did the peddler expect the kind of hospitality that he received from the crofter? Answer है, no, he did not expected such type of the hospitality that he received from the crofter. He was thinking that he would not get shelter. Fourth question है, why was crofter so the talkative and the friendly with the peddler? तो आंसर है, the crofter was all alone. He wanted someone for his company. He was very happy to get the company of the peddler. Therefore, he was so talkative and the friendly with him. Fifth question है, why did he show the 30 kroner to the peddler? Answer है, he showed that the 30 kroner to the peddler to tempt his guest. Next question है हमारा 6. Did the peddler respect the confidence response to him by the crofter? Answer है no, the peddler did not respect of the confidence and the stole the money. Next question is 7. What made the peddler think that he had indeed fallen into the rat trap? Answer है after the stealing the kroner, the peddler chose the way of forest since it was very dense forest at night, so he lost his way and the walking helplessly in the forest, then the thought that he had fallen into a rat trap. Eighth question है why did the iron master speak kindly to the peddler and they invite him home? Answer है the iron master saw the peddler in dim light, he could not see his face clearly and thought that he was an old regimental comrade, therefore he spoke kindly to the peddler and invited him home. Ninth question है why did the peddler decline the invitation? तो आंसर है the peddler has stolen 30 kroners from the quotas of the crofter. He thought that the going to the iron master's house would be like the throwing him safely voluntary into the lion's den, therefore he do climb the invitation. Next 10th question, what made the peddler accept Williamson's invitation? तो आंसर है Adela Williamson's invitations the peddler on the Christmas occasions politely. Her friendly and the polite manner made the peddler accept her invitation. 11th question है why what doubt did the Adela have about the peddler? Answer है when Adela meet the peddler he was frightened. She also doubt that the peddler had stolen something or had escaped from the prison. His appearance and the behavior doubt her. Next 12th question, ये हमारा when did the iron master realize his mistake? Answer है when the iron master saw the peddler in bright daylight, he know that the peddler was not his regimental comrade, then he realized his mistake. नेक्स्ट है हमारा 13 क्वेश्चन और ये हमारा व्हाट डिड द पेडलर से इन हिज डिफेंस व्हेन इट वाज क्लियर दैट ही वाज नॉट अ पर्सन द आयरन मास्टर हैड थॉट ही वाज? आंसर है इन हिज डिफेंस द पेडलर सेड दैट द नेवर वांटेड टू वार्म एनीबडी, he only wanted to get shelter for the night, therefore he had refused the accept the iron master's invitation. Next हमारा 14 क्वेश्चन, why did Adela still entertaining the peddler ever after the knew the truth about him? तो आंसर है Adela and the pity for the poor conditions of the peddler, she wanted to provided food and the clothes to him because he was hungry and his clothes were turn, therefore she entertaining him. Next 15 question, why was Adela happy to see gift left by the peddler? The answer is when Adela opened the packet and read a letter, she realized that the peddler was not a thief because he had put all the 30 kroners in the rat trap and requested to return it to the real owner, therefore she was happy to see the gift left by peddler. Next is 16 question, what made the peddler finally change his way? तो आंसर है finally the peddler felt his mistake and decide to rise himself to the high of the gentleman. Adela's polite behavior and the kindness have the changing him. He feels the selfless and the sympathy of the Adela for the poor that change him into the gentleman. Next is 17 question or last question, how does the metaphors of the rat trap survives the highlight the human predicament? तो आंसर है the metaphors of the rat trap indicate that this world is like a rat trap because when the pupils the template by the luxurious they end up being catch in the dangerous trap in the story. When the peddler lose his way in the confused forest, he has let himself before by the bait. Now on against the metaphors of the rat trap come alive. The iron master invite the peddler to home, but he refused. The peddler know that the going there means going himself into the lion's sentence. Thus the peddler describes humans predicament to the iron master. नेक्स्ट हमारा लेसन फिफ्थ इंडिगो. तो इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है, वाई इज राजकुमार शुक्ला डिस्क्राइब एज बीइंग रिजोल्यूट. तो आंसर है, राजकुमार शुक्ला मीट गांधी जी इन लखनऊ एंड इन्फॉर्म अबाउट द कंडीशन ऑफ द चंपारन्स presents. Gandhiji had many appointments, therefore he did not committed him to go there. But Rajkumar Shukla waited Gandhiji's appointment for the several day. Ultimately he success. Therefore he is described as the being resolute. Next हमारा second. Why do you think the servant thought Gandhiji to be the another peasant? Answer है, Gandhiji went to meet Rajendra Prasad with the Rajkumar Shukla in the simple customers. The servant know very well about the Rajkumar Shukla since Gandhiji was with him. Therefore they thought Gandhiji to be the another peasant. Third है, why did Gandhiji agree to the settlement of the 25% refund of the farmers? तो आंसर है, Gandhiji agreed to settlement of the 25% refund to the farmer because he wanted to break the deadlock of the percentage of refund between the landlord and the peasant. Fourth question है, how did the episode change the plug of the peasant? Answer है, after the episode the peasant were saved the count by the spending money and time, indigo, sharecropping and the disappearance. The British landlord were the completed to leave the state. The peasant received the money they had paid to the landlord as the compensation. They were happy and the prosperous out. Fifth question है, why was Gandhiji able to influence layers? Answer है, the Champaran episode was the first instance of the victory of civil disorders of the modern India. Gandhiji realized that the civil disorders could go to a long way in the freedom struggle of India. I heard force it was considered to be a turning point in Gandhiji's life. Sixth question है, why did Gandhiji consider the Champaran episode to be the turning point in his life? The Champaran episode was the first incident of the victory of the civil disorders in the modern India. Gandhiji realized that the civil disorders could go to the long way in the freedom struggle in India. Therefore, it was the considered to be the turning point Gandhiji's life. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो गया है. नेक्स्ट है हमारा सेवंथ. What was the attitude of the average Indian in the smaller localities toward the advocate of the home rules? Answer है, the attitude of the average Indian in smaller localities toward the advocate of the home rule was the quite different. The Indians were the afraid to show sympathy for the because they live in the fear of the British rules. Gandhiji stays at the Muzaffarpur for the 2 days at the home of the Professor Malkhani. In those days, it weighed courageous things to give shelter to one who opposed the government. Eighth question है, what was Gandhiji policies intervenes with? तो आंसर है, Gandhiji policies intervenes with the practical day-to-day problems of the millions of people. Ninth है, why did Gandhiji chilled and lawyers of the Muzaffarpur? Answer है, Gandhiji chilled and the lawyers of the collecting fee from the poem sharecroppers. The thought that the taking such case to the court did the little good to the arrested and the fear strikes peasant. 10th question है, freedom from the fear is more important than the legal justice for the poor. How is this statement relieved in today's scenario? तो आंसर है, freedom from the fear is more important than the legal justice for the poor. According to Gandhiji, freedom for the fear is the first step for the world सेल्फ रिलीजन। नेक्स्ट हमारा 7th चैप्टर द इंटरव्यू। पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाई डू मोस्ट सेलिब्रिटी राइटर डिस्पाइज बीइंग इंटरव्यू। तो इसका आंसर है दे डिस्पाइज बीइंग इंटरव्यू बिकॉज दे कंसिडर इट एज एन अनरैप्ड इंस्ट्रक्शन इनटू देयर लिव्स। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द एक्सप्रेशंस थंबप्रिंट ऑन हिज windpipe। तो आंसर है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी थंबप्रिंट ऑन हिज windpipe मीन्स फीलिंग ऑफ सफोकेशन। नेक्स्ट है थर्ड क्वेश्चन हाउ डज ईको फाइंड द टाइम टू राइट सो मच। आंसर है ईको नेवर वेस्ट हिज टाइम, ही से दैट देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ एम्प्टी स्पेस इन अवर लिव्स, he used those empty time to write so much। Fourth question है what was the distinct about Eco's academic writing style। तो आंसर है his academic writing style is narrative, his scholarly work has the certain playful and personal quality about it। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है हमारा फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है हमारा what is the reason for the huge success of the novel The Name of Rose। तो इसका आंसर है द नेम ऑफ द रोज इज द डिटेक्टिव एंड सीरियस नोवेल्स, इट हैड मेटाफिजिक्स और थियोलॉजिकल एंड द medieval history, it has the huge success because it give readers deep, varied and the thought provoking materials। Sixth question है how have interviewer become a common place of the journalism। तो आंसर है फॉलोइंग आर द सम पोजिशंस व्यू ऑन द इंटरव्यूअर। नंबर 1 इट इज़ द सोर्स ऑफ ट्रूथ, इन इट प्रैक्टिस इट इज़ एन आर्ट। थर्ड है इट इज़ द बेस्ट मेडिसिन ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन। फोर्थ है इट इज़ फेस टू फेस कन्वर्सेशन। नेक्स्ट हमारा 7th क्वेश्चन व्हाई डिड रडियार्ड किपलिंग रिफ्यूज टू बी द इंटरव्यू। तो आंसर है रुडियार्ड किपलिंग refused for the interviewing because he conscripts to the Immopal Code Act and the consider interviewer to the viewergram. However, despite all his belief is the himself committed the crime when he interviewed Mark Twain 1। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा फ्लेमिंगो। तो ये पोइट्री सेक्शन है जिसका हमारा पहला पोएम है नंबर 1 माई मदर एट 66। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज़ द काइंड ऑफ द पेन एंड द एक्ट दैट द पोएट फील्स। तो आंसर है द सेपरेशन फ्रॉम द मदर एंड द फियर ऑफ द लूज ऑफ हर मदर आर द पेन एंड एस दैट द पोएट्स फील्स। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है हमारा वाई आर द यंग्स ट्रीज डिस्क्राइब्स स्प्रिंग्स। तो आंसर है दे डिस्क्राइब्स स्प्रिंग्स बिकॉज द पोएट्स watches the tree from the running car and the feels that they are running fast। Third है why is the mother being compared to the late winter's moon। तो आंसर है the mother of the poet has the lost the science and the strength of her youth like the winter's moon that looked dim when the sickly in the misty sky, therefore the mother had been compared to the late winter moon। नेक्स्ट है फोर्थ क्वेश्चन व्हाट डू द पार्टिंग वर्ड ऑफ द पोएट एंड हर स्माइल सिग्निफाइंग। आंसर है द पार्टिंग वर्ड सीइंग यू द सून अम्मा गिव द एश्योरेंस ऑफ लाइफ ऑफ द ओल्ड लेडी, सिमिलरली हर स्माइल हेल्प टू द ओवरकम द एज ऑफ फियर। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है व्हाट बरीड द पोएट व्हेन सी लुक एट हर मदर। तो आंसर है व्हेन सी लुक एट हर मदर he poet was the worried about the frail health and the old age. Her mother fear looks ascend like a cusp and the sea fear that it might be their last meeting। Sixth question है what were the poet feeling at the airport, how did she hide them। तो इसका आंसर है at airport the poet feel fearful of the leaving her pale again mother alone and the unattempted she had and the age and the fear inside her heart, she hid her feelings of the anxiety by the giving along the cheerful smile to the mother। नेक्स्ट है सेकंड पोएम जो है हमारी एन एलिमेंट्री स्कूल क्लासरूम इन द स्लम, जिसका पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डज द पोएट वांट टू द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ द स्लम, हाउ कैन देयर लिव्स बी मेड टू चेंज। तो आंसर है द पोएट वांट टू द रिस्पॉन्सिबल person of the society should do their best for the development of the all kind of these slum children. Their livings can be the change through the education, property and the equality in the society. Next है हमारा second question, तो यह है how is the atmosphere inside and the elementary school classroom in the slum different from the one outside it। तो इसका आंसर है the world outside of the slum abounded in the bonities of the nature, whereas the attempts in the side the elementary school is the deployed. The attempt inside the classroom is one of the more widely and the inactively. नेक्स्ट है हमारा थर्ड पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट। तो इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डज द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम सजेस्ट टू द यू, व्हाट डू यू थिंक द पोएम इज अबाउट। तो इसका आंसर है द टाइटल सजेस्ट अस अबाउट द importance of the silence. The poem is about the importance of the self examination and introspection. इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन what symbol from the nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be life under appointment stillness। तो आंसर है the pen uses the earth as the symbol to show that there can be the life under appearance stillness. He say that the earth is the great teacher. He would learn a lesson from the earth that when the everything seems dead the earth remains alive. नेक्स्ट हमारा फोर्थ चैप्टर द थिंग्स ऑफ ब्यूटी। इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट प्लेजर डज द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स गिव अस। तो आंसर है दे गिव अस इमेंस प्लेजर, ऑल द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स गिव अस द प्लेजर, देयरफॉर दे शुड वर्थ ट्रीजिंग। नेक्स्ट है सेकंड क्वेश्चन व्हाई इज द ग्रेंजर्स एसोसिएटेड विद द माइटली डेड। तो आंसर है ग्रेंजर्स इज एसोसिएटेड विद द माइटली डेड बिकॉज देयर हीरोइक एक्ट एट द माइटली डेड आर द प्रिजर्व in their tales and the grandeurs and the heroes. Next है हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन, तो what imagine that the poet used to describe the beautiful bonity of the earth। तो इसका आंसर है he used the endless foundation of the immortal drinks pouring into the from the heavens brings। Next है फोर्थ क्वेश्चन what make human being love life in the spite of the trouble and the suffering। तो आंसर है ब्यूटी मेक ह्यूमन बींग्स लव ऑफ द लाइफ इन स्पाइट ऑफ द ट्रबल एंड सफरिंग। नेक्स्ट है फिफ्थ पोएम, तो ये है रोड साइड स्टैंड। तो इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है वेयर वाज द स्टैंड सिचुएटेड एंड द हाउ वाज इट मेड। तो आंसर है इन द फ्रंट ऑफ वन साइड अ रोड साइड स्टैंड वाज द सेटअप, थाउजेंड ऑफ Polish people in the car passes the road. Second question है what will be the great relief to the poet, how can the problem of the rural people be solved। तो इसका आंसर है the pain and the suffering of the poor people melt to the poet heart, he calm hardly been it some time of the feels that the dead will the ultimately take away all their suffering, if they escape to exit it will be brings the poet the greater relief। नेक्स्ट है हमारी विस्टास जो कि हमारी सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर बुक है। इसका लेसन सेकंड है द टाइगर किंग। पहला क्वेश्चन है हु इज़ द टाइगर किंग, व्हाई डज ही गेट द नेम। तो आंसर है द महाराजा ऑफ प्रतिभा नंदनपुरम इज द टाइगर किंग, ही गेट द नेम बिकॉज ही हैड किल्ड ऑल द टाइगर इन हिज स्टेट टू प्रूव द प्रेडिक्शन ऑफ द एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स रॉन्ग। सेकेंड है What did the royal infant grow up to be। तो इसका आंसर है एट द एज ऑफ द 20 द रॉयल इन्फेंट बिकम द महाराजन ऑफ पृथ्वी बदमपुरम। नेक्स्ट हमारा थर्ड वट इज़ द ऑथर इंडिकेट कमेंट ऑन द सब्जेक्टिंग इनोसेंट एनिमल टू द विलफुलनेस ऑफ द ह्यूमन्स बींग्स। तो इसका आंसर है in this story we do not find any direct comment on the subjecting innocent animal to the willfulness of the human beings. The author relieves through his story that how the human beings kill the innocent animal to the cure method. The Maharaja killed 99 tiger, but unfortunately he could not kill the 100 tiger, and the finally it attempt in the form of the wooden tiger and become the case of the Maharaja's death. If it was the king's destiny, no power could have the save him. Thought the Maharaj loved the animals but killed the tiger just to satisfy his ego. Fourth question है हमारा, which matter about the tiger king is the extraordinary interest. तो आंसर है the matter about the dead of the things kings was the extraordinary interaction in the story. नेक्स्ट हमारा फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, वाई डिड द महाराज बैन टाइगर हंटिंग इन द स्टेट. तो आंसर है बिकॉज ही वांट टू प्रूव द प्रिडिक्शंस ऑफ द स्टेट एस्ट्रोपर्स रॉन्ग दैट ही वुड बी किल बाय द 100 टाइगर. आंसर नंबर 6 है वाई डिड ही महाराज ऑर्डर द दीवान टू डबल द लैंड टैक्स. तो आंसर है महाराज हु ऑर्डर द दीवान डबल्स the land tax in the order to the punish the villager for the false news. Next 7th, how did he 100 tiger take its revenge upon the tiger king. तो आंसर है one of its 19 silver pickers into the right hand of the kings. Infection fled and the sprunging some all over the arm and the Maharaj is dead. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा थर्ड लेसन जो है हमारा जर्नी टू द एंड ऑफ द अर्थ. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है इसका, व्हाट वाज द पर्पस ऑफ द विजिट टू अंटार्कटिका. तो आंसर है बाय विजिटिंग द अंटार्कटिका वी कैन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द अर्थ पास्ट प्रेजेंट एंड द फ्यूचर. अ विजिट देयर कैन द टीच द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग अ वैल्यू over the plant. Antarctica also hold within the e-commerce 500,000 year did carbon food and the print to the Sydney about global warming. Next हमारा second, what unique opportunity does the Antarctica environment provide to scientists. तो इसका आंसर है Antarctica holds in the ice cores 500,000 year old carbon recorded trapped in the layer of ice. It is the only place on the earth that has not supported human population. It has a great variety of the flora and fauna. It is only the place that give us an idea of the how the earth would have been like millions of the year ago and how it divided into the different masses of earth according to the situation of the Antarctica. It is the place that the reveals of the past, show over the present and the visualize over the future. Therefore it is the place to go to understanding the earth present and past and future. Next है हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन, तो ये व्हाट आर द पाइथोप्लैंक्टन. तो आंसर है पाइथोप्लैंक्टन आर द क्वाइट ट्रॉफिक component of the plankton community and the key part of the ocean and the freshwater ecosystems. Next fourth, how do geologically phenomena help us to now know about the historical and the humankind. तो आंसर है it is the fact that the geological phenomena help us to know where we have come from and the where he might be heading. According to the theory of the some geological 650 million year ago there was no life. The climate was much warmer and the things were the quite different. Gradually when the dinosaurs in the Gondwana were the wipe out, the mammals in the Gondwana were the wipe outs, the mammal stand existing and the after the separation of the landmass the humankind started floating on the earth. Next है हमारा फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, तो है द वर्ल्ड geological history is the trap in the Antarctica. How is the study of this region useful to us. तो आंसर है Antarctica is the crucial element in the debate of the climate change. It is the coldest, the windiest and the dearest constituent in the world. The study of this region give an idea of how the world war being divided into continuous and the nation. This region help us to know the previous climate of the earth and the possibility of life on it. Thus the study of this region is useful to us. नेक्स्ट है फोर्थ चैप्टर, ये है द एनेमी। तो पहला है व्हाट डिड डॉक्टर साधो एंड हिज वाइफ टू विथ द मैन। तो आंसर है दे डिड हेल्प हिम द रिकवर एंड द गेन स्ट्रेंथ, दे विल ट्राई देयर बेस्ट टू द प्रोटेक्ट हिम। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है वाई वॉज द डॉक्टर साधो कैप इन द जापान एंड नॉट सेंट इन द Arab with the troops। तो आंसर है Sadhu was the famous surgeon and the scientist, the old general of the Japan. Her full faith in his ability as the surgeon. He did not believe in any other surgeons, so the Sadhu was kept for the general health in the Japan। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है where did Dr. Sadhu and the Hana meet। तो आंसर है Dr. Sadhu and the Hana meet in America when he was studying surgery there। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है इन व्हाट कंडीशन डिड द डॉक्टर साधु एंड द हना फाइंड द वाइट मैन एट द सीजर। तो इसका आंसर है डॉक्टर साधु ड्रैग हिज बोट डाउन टू द शोर एंड द पुट सम फूड वाटर एंड द टू क्वाइल इन द हिज हेल्प टॉम इन द स्केप बाय द बोटिंग। नेक्स्ट है फिफ्थ चैप्टर। तो ये हमारा शुड विजार्ड हिड ममी। तो इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा what was the basic plot of the each story told by Jack। तो इसका आंसर है the story could have the happy ending। in the story Jack told the rogue shunk is the smell and like the rose because of the wizard magic smell, but the rogue shunk mother did not happy with the new smell, his complete the magically to the give usual smell back। second है what was the rogue shunk's प्रॉब्लम, वाई डिड हिज मदर नॉट लाइक हर सन्स स्मेल लाइक रोज। तो इसका आंसर है एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी द सजेशन ऑफ द जो इज मोर एक्सेप्टेबल बट ही कैन नॉट डिने अबाउट द चॉइस ऑफ जैक। दिस इज द बिकॉज जैक स्टोरी लाइन डज नॉट कंस्ट्रक्ट द स्टोरी टू द मेयर फेयर स्टाइल। इफ द स्टोरी एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द जो सी विल लर्न फ्रॉम द वाट एवर she heard about। if the story and according to the Zack, Joe will never be able to the quite anything she consider wrong in life, thus a balanced view many give at the end of story। next है हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन। तो ये हमारा why did the Joe want to wizard to hit Roger Sung's mummy। तो इसका आंसर है Joe want to wizard to hit his umbrella on his head of the stupid mummies because she felt Roger's mother had not done the right things by the forcing the wise to make him smell bad against and so she should be punished। fourth question है why is an adult's perspective of the life of the different from the child। तो इसका आंसर है we know that an adult is a symbols of the experience whereas the child is the symbols of innocent। The world of the adults is different from the worlds of the child। A child lives with the future dream where an adults live the reality and the adults is considered wise the confidence of the experience of the life, whereas the child is the considers as an innocent lake of the confidence and unexperienced। Thus an adult's perspective on life is the different from that of the child। फिफ्थ और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा व्हाट इज द मोरल इशूज दैट द स्टोरी राइज। तो इसका आंसर है द रेशियल सेपरेशन इज द मोरल इशू दैट द स्टोरी राइज। अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टोरी रोगर संक्स against the rose smell by the wizard instead of the bad smell। the little animal started playing with him because the rose smell, but his mother opposed to it and the force of the wizard to give the usual smell। she said that they would not lose our originally and identity। तो ये हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर थे जो इंग्लिश में पूछे जाने हैं आईएमपी क्वेश्चनों में से थे जो हमारे क्वेश्चन बैंक में आए हुए हैं। आपको हमारे ब्लास्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस वाले यूट्यूब के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कमेंट और लाइक करना है। बाकी के और भी आपको ऐसे आईएमपी क्वेश्चंस और वीडियो मिलते रहेंगे। मिलते हैं ऐसी अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, बाय, टेक केयर।